it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Guys, getting here with another reaction. Today we're here with RajahWild, Sinful, with Pan the Pole / hit song. Alright, so Pan the Pole / hit song pan the PaymentPlanRiddim. Russian, big up yourself. Let's jump in the one and here with the Jefferson, man. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again! But I lie.
Boston skaters, the bumbo club.
Hey, Russian. You know how I get.
No, I never. Big up, rope, big up.
Really? Skinny toad pan the pole, bitch. I'm a mature bricks. We are the big ball of them like Kobe. Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again!
When I say bricks, I mean bricks where I have also everything I have in the moment. No, money. Kyle's. Money.
But I lie?
Sinful.
Yo, head concussion. Hey, Russian. You know how I get them hoes. Really? Skinny toad pan the pole, bitch. I'm a mature bricks. We are the big ball of them like Kobe. More I know you, baby, if you know my heart. So just do your fan, do and blow me. Pan the pole now, I'm a know ya. Baby, you could have in a pour now. Girl, you know long man who I hold ya. So I'm a bucket on call up.
Yo, look like all of them shoot a foreign man. Look like all of them shoot outside of Jamaica so far. Jada wanna outside Jamaica. Nigeria boy wanna definitely not in Jamaica. And that one definitely outside of Jamaica. What? Russian and put it on, man. Russian. Big up yourself, G. Big up yourself.
No, girl, you know long man who I hold ya. So I'm a bucket on call up. Love to see be a bad bitch, I get senseless cause. So send the M's and the X then come. Buck it up.
Love to see be a bad bitch, I get senseless cause. Send the X and the M them come. Hey. Mark X and the M sport them, I say.
Bad bitch, I get senseless cause. So send the M's and the X then come. Buck it up in a syllable for my charge. Got the whole of my friend then done. Wild out, spread their legs them now. Mama chop on your titty and stretch them out. Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again!
They want to drop on the titty and stretch them out. A lie? Rude.
Yo, head concussion. Hey,
A Russian. A lie.
You know how I get them hoes.
You know ya.
Skinny toad pan the pole, bitch. I'm a mature bricks. We are the big ball of them like Kobe. More I know you, baby, if you know my heart. So just do your fan, do and blow me. Pan the pole now.
Do a fan, do mama. Here can me. Yeah, cool me down. Blow up on me.
Yeah, baby, if you know my heart. So just do your fan, do and blow me. Pan the pole now. I'm a manoia. Baby, you could have in a pour now. Girl, you know long man who I hold ya. So I'm a bucket on call up. Love to see be a bad bitch, I get senseless cause. So send the M's and the X then come. Buck it up in a syllable for my charge. Got the whole of my friend then done. Wild out, spread their legs them now. Mama chop on your titty and stretch them out. Baby, nobody make them go you down. Your days limited, mate. Skinny toad pan the pole, bitch. I'm a mature bricks. We are the big ball of them like Kobe. More I know you, baby, if you know my heart. So just do your fan, do and blow me. Pan the pole now, I'm a manoia. Baby, you could have in a pour now. Girl, you know long man who I hold ya. Run, boy, you can't hide from me. Your pussy wetter than the Titanic. Some
Run, but you can't hide from me. Just you have to know your pussy wetter than Titanic. Tell the pussy wet.
Run, boy, you can't hide from me. Your pussy wetter than the Titanic. Some wrecky for your fling, so ice bunny. Me see the slut.
Get the play pan Regent when do this a while ago. Your pussy wetter than the Titanic. Remember say the Titanic sink. So the Titanic constantly underwater. See? Yo. Him say I go wreck it. Shipwreck. Titanic got wrecked. It was a ship that got wrecked. Shipwreck. Him say you have to put ice on it. Remember say Titanic allegedly hit iceberg and sink. if we're not careful, them lyrics are going over on the head in the dog. The man is tying like everything together back to the Titanic in the dog.
I know ya, baby, could have in a porno. Girl, you know long man who hold ya.
Listen.
Run, boy, you can't hide from me. Your pussy wetter than the Titanic. Some wrecky for your fling, some ice pan it.
Some wreck it for your fling, some ice pan it. Shipwreck, ice, iceberg, Titanic.
Your pussy wetter
Smart.
than the Titanic.
Clever.
Some wrecky for your fling, some ice pan it. Me see the slut in the eye, mommy, so don't shy.
Honestly, him a talk about the girl body as well. Our pussy wetter than the Titanic. Him a go beat it up and wreck it. Make sure if it cool down with ice as well. Him a go on.
Ricky for your fling, some ice pan it. Me see the slut in the eye, mommy, so don't shy, babe, zoom me eye for me. Don't tell me no lie. You never flopping on your show, girl, iconic.
You never flapping on your show. You're starring on your show. You never did on your show. You're iconic. You never flapping on your show, mama. Me see the freakiness in the air and what me pay them.
Don't tell me no lie. You never flopping on your show, girl, iconic. Girl, your pussy have a vibes. So no give away the pussy free. Put price on it.
Don't give it the pum free, mama. Put price on it. Yeah, put price on it because it's worth $1 million.
Girl, your pussy have a vibes. So no give away the pussy free. Put price on it. Life's a bitch. Boy, if you enjoy life a bit.
Life's a bitch, so you have to enjoy life a bit. No matter how... Yo, let's go.
Certain killers will rise a brick. So when you see certain cocky, you have to climb on it. Wine for me, no bag of lighter in. Don't I good my time on me.
I just see my woman just jump on me, just climb on me. You know what I'm about. No lighter in. Stop the idling. Where you idle for? You know what I'm there for. Yeah.
Wine for me, no bag of lighter in. Don't I good my time on me. Me I wanna then you they will stand for my word. I'm out sure one kite on it.
If I want them youth that will stand for them word, it mean everything what I must say. And I just sang. So it will definitely throw one kite on you. That's what the G say, yeah.
One of them you they will stand for my word. I'm out sure one kite on it.
I'm gonna say.
So I'm never yet in a mix up. They never do this song.
I true that.
Why?
Hit song. Oh, okay. So at the second song this. So upon the poll, just gone. Now we have hit song now. Alright. Can I just say the transition here is genius. The transition here is genius. We see the scene with him and her in the next room, and then she asks him the question, and then him forward on the boat. Me like this. Me like this. This is very smart. This is smart. Smart transition.
So I'm never yet in a mix up. They never do this song. Why?
Saint Fall.
You're Russian. Oh, man. Hey, cat. Move bring out this lot to in a you. Move broke in a two. Can't take my thing too serious, charge it. Move turn in a fool. One.
Man say we broke here not to we bring out the slut in a you, mama. You can't take him things serious and we turn you in a fool. Play games with your head, that's what the G say.
Can't take my thing too serious, charge it. Move turn in a fool. One looking at me, I am turning a mine. I'm turning a goon. Move slutty and turning a rhyme. Move turning a true. Man, now for do a.
Man say me slut her out and turn her in a rhyme. You turn her in a tune, brother. So, he might tell you what me do, and then we sing about it. Yo.
Tell you pussy in a rhyme. Move turning a true. Man, now for do a diss track. Tell you pussy give me hit song. And you know man calm and pitch black.
Actually, still now, we don't hear him not mix up or him not doing any this song for nobody or him and nobody have nothing in the public eyes, you know. You see me? I be a girl song, yeah, RajahWild, you ain't alien, bro. That's going to do your thing, yeah, man.
Tell your pussy give me hit song. And you know man calm and pitch black. But move beat up your pussy till it blister. Man now for do a thing. Put on every night for now for pull a pin. I want life, I large you fear live. Girl fear get slut and party fear kid. Well I the dolly them out tonight. Them outside. So we out tonight. Alright, but I no clown she like. It's in a dim night place, don't go to light. I'm no mean to scare you, don't be shy. Remember this how we only lie. So we have fuck up the town tonight. So me know if you don't do right. Man now for do a diss track.
Bumbleclad. Oi! I think I'm the only one who have 2 songs on the rhythm. This a 2 song, bro. RajahWild say him not for do a this song, brother. You see me? Yo, this bad. It's bad. This bad, Rajah. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, this bad. Yo, and can I just say, I like the play upon words when do with the Titanic and the girl body. I compare our witness to the Titanic shipwreck, iceberg, and them something. I like it. I like it. That's a very smart line from you. Big up yourself, G. Russian, big up yourself. Rope them. And now or never, big up on yourself. You see me? This one I'm going to leave the one I still. If you enjoy the one I want to move from it, you know if you do already. I have to say it out loud.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.